The best feasibility workflows aren't just fast, they're accurate from the first solve. That's what TestFit is built for. Generative Design places a retail building across multiple site locations while cycling through every library item with a matching tag. Parking ratio constraints and other KPIs filter results so only compliant iterations surface. No manual placement, no duplicate presets. Retail developers can evaluate more configurations faster, letting the best fit prototype rise to the top. Cores are accurately placed and rotated across every floor, including below-grade parking decks. TestFit accounts for drive aisles, angled stalls, and core orientation, with buffer zones so parking stalls resolve cleanly around each core. The result is a structurally coherent garage layout with more viable solves and less manual correction. The easement line alone rarely defines where building can begin. Each side of the offset is adjustable independently for irregular easement shapes, and a toggle controls whether roads and parking can cross the threshold for easements that only restrict building. TestFit exports site plans as SVG files that open in any browser and embed directly in web reports, deal rooms, and investor portals. Web reports render site plan imagery as sharp, vectorized line work. No software to install, no files to convert. Better outputs, more accurate constraints, and smarter automation. Visit testfit.io to learn more and schedule a demo.